बिहाइंड द सीन्स तो देखो, पीछे तो देखो,
पीछे तो
मुगड़ी है यही है यार, इतना वो, that's misunderstood, very misunderstood. The way I am, I started laughing in a very weird way, which just happens all the time. And so I was like, ये laugh मुझे चाहिए.
Yeah.
अरे भैया नहीं. और जब मैं इंडिया आई, when I learned Hindi, and then I listened to the same song, अच्छा इसका ये meaning है. उस वक्त मुझे पता नहीं था, but I would sing along full. I would work on Hua, I would send him videos, and I'd be like, देखो ना, मैं कर रही हूँ, कोशिश कर रही हूँ. And that was actually the turning point where he was like, करते हैं, चलो. ये सही सवाल है. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है.
ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल.
क्योंकि ट्रेटर सिर्फ एक ही वजह से किया था. मुझे कभी रियलिटी नहीं करना था, कभी करूँगी भी नहीं, मुझे पता है.
98.3 मिर्ची पर आप प्रेरणा के साथ हैं. मेरे साथ में एलनाज है. एलनाज आर अमेजिंग.
थैंक यू.
हाय, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप बहुत फास्ट बोलते हो.
बहुत फास्ट बोलना पड़ता है. समय एक्चुअली क्या है, मुंबई में थोड़ा कम है लोगों के पास में.
और वो भी रेडियो पे.
सबसे ज्यादा
भागम भाग.
बिल्कुल. आपकी हिंदी माशाल्लाह इतनी अच्छी है, लेकिन हम हिंदी से शुरुआत नहीं करेंगे, हम आपके नाम से शुरुआत करेंगे.
जी.
आपका नाम जो है उसका मतलब अपेरेंटली ब्यूटीफुल होता है. तो जैसे ही आप ऐसे पैदा हुई,
हाँ जी,
नाम रख दिया
जी,
एलनाज.
पता नहीं. it actually means the most beautiful of the tribe.
And do we know what is exactly the story behind who kept it? Were there other names जो शायद compete कर रहे थे कि हम बनेंगे एलनाज का नाम?
इसके बारे में बात करें क्या?
क्यों नहीं?
Actually थोड़ा वो है. My parents weren't going to call me Elnaz.
अच्छा.
But unfortunately, the name that they chose was not a Persian name per se. And in Iran, under the regime that currently is there and under the regime that I was born, you are supposed to choose a name that is allowed by that regime.
Right.
So let's say the regime did choose my name. No, of course, it was the closest to what they wanted to call me.
Yeah.
My mom chose the name of a flower. But then they said no. So then the second option was Elnaz.
Nice.
And here we are.
Very nice. Superb. और ये ना हम लोगों को एजुकेट करना चाहते हैं एलनाज. हमने बहुत सारे प्रकार से आपका जो सरनेम है वो नाउ
Yeah.
बहुत कोशिश की है, बट हम सुनना चाहते हैं फ्रॉम द एलनाज़'s माउथ.
Noruzi.
Noruzi.
It's like Nowruz, right? The new day, the Nowruz, the Persian New Year.
Correct.
So Nowruzi, we are the Nowruzis.
Nice.
But आप एलनाज बोलो, चलेगा.
हाँ, हम आपको एलनाज बोलेंगे. और बहुत अमेजिंग सी हो आप, क्योंकि 14 साल की उम्र से जो आपने काम करना शुरू करा है, क्योंकि हम तब हमारे स्कूल के होमवर्क, मम्मी डांट रही है, खाना खा लो, भिंडी क्यों नहीं खा रहे. एट दैट टाइम यू रियली स्टार्टेड ऑफ वर्किंग. दोस्त, मतलब दैट्स, I don't know if I want to say it's incredible or I want to say 14 साल की ना बेचारी यार, बचपन तो जीने दो. So
I didn't have a childhood. That's true.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't have a childhood. There were a lot of factors. We were in Germany. We didn't have any support, right? And my parents had just gotten divorced. I was supporting the family. I also, I mean, I'm not complaining. I got to start work with something I loved doing, and that was modeling. I didn't go and work in not to say that it's a bad thing to work in a supermarket or to like babysit or something.
Yeah.
A lot of my friends were doing that also. But I was lucky enough to do it with something I loved. So I'm not upset about it. It was hectic. I would go to school and then I would go to work and, but great times. I'm very happy about everything, the way it went. It all got me here. So it was right the way it was, I guess.
Yeah. 14 साल के एलनाज को क्या एडवाइस दोगे तो नहीं पूछूंगी मैं. I'd rather ask 14 साल के एलनाज को आपको इस समय पर इन योर लाइफ क्या एडवाइस देनी चाहिए.
वो मुझे देगी अभी.
जी.
अरे,
क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, जब हम छोटे होते हैं तब हम fearless होते हैं. There's a sense of bravery. I don't know how it is. I don't know how it functions. Consequences होते ही नहीं है. They don't exist. तो 14 साल की एलनाज आज के दिन पे हमारी एलनाज को क्या एडवाइस दे रही है?
यार मैं अगर आपको बताऊं कि she would tell me that जैसे किया वैसे ही कर लो.
सही है.
Seriously.
सही है.
ये fearlessness, ये जो I believe very much that I was very naive. जब मैं इंडिया आई थी, जब जो भी मैं कुछ कर रही थी, I was very naive, and that's why I dared to do it.
Correct.
अगर मुझे जो चीज़ें अभी मुझे पता है उस वक्त पता होता तो मैं शायद कभी नहीं करती. तो I would just be like, stay the way you are, naive. I was very stupid. I was very young. That's why I dared to do those things.
Yeah.
And those things got me here. So I'm not changing anything.
Amazing. Superb.
Yeah.
We'll talk about Hua.
हाँ जी.
We will talk more about your life. So this will keep going back and forth. ये बताइए, हुआ हमने सुना कि हुआ था 2 साल पहले. फिर हुआ को क्यों इतना साल हुआ?
ऐसा हुआ कि
कैसा हुआ?
You know, Hua was just born suddenly, out of nowhere, with no planning, you know. Jubin actually just wanted me to be in his music video. और मैंने उनको बोला कि यार मैं अभी गाना गाना शुरू किया है मैंने, और मुझे गाना गाना है. मुझे म्यूज़िक वीडियो में बस एज एन एक्ट्रेस काम नहीं करना है. And he was so receptive to it. He was just like, चलो करते हैं फिर कुछ. तो he was so nice that he wanted to do that with me. पर उनको ये भी पता नहीं था कि इससे होगा कि नहीं. यार ये तो अभी तो गाना शुरू किया है, and Jubin Nautiyal is Jubin Nautiyal यार. Correct. Right? So he also has to think कि होगा इस लड़की से
तो बोल दिया है मैंने, लेकिन
हाँ. तो थोड़ा उसको टाइम लगा समझने में, और मैंने भी बहुत कोशिश किया कि उनको समझाऊं कि हो जाएगा, घबराना नहीं. So I would go to vocal classes. I would work on Hua. I would send him videos and I'd be like, देखो ना, मैं कर रही हूँ, कोशिश कर रही हूँ. And that was actually the turning point where he was like, करते हैं, चलो, let's get into the studio. तो उसमें थोड़ा टाइम गया. फिर म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाने में, फिर I got busy in shooting the fix. Then he got busy with Sayyara. And अभी इतना टाइम गया फिर, और वो होता रहता है. तो now अभी हो गया. और
कितने from the first thought until now you're like, अच्छा, pat your back. मैं modeling, tick. Acting, tick. Reality, tick. सब कुछ tick. Singing, tick. Big tick. So how proud are you of yourself, and what's the reaction from friends and family?
यार जब आप लोग ऐसे बोलते हो ना तो थोड़ा समझ में आता है
कि इतना कुछ कर लिया है.
हाँ, पर मैं वैसे खुद मुझे दिखता नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे बस जो आगे दिखता है, मुझे जो आगे करना है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा है, you know. तो जो पीछे है वो दिखता नहीं है. कभी कभी उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए, ग्रेटफुल होना चाहिए. आई हैव टू पैट माई सेल्फ ऑन माई बैक. आई एग्री. आई डोंट गिव माई सेल्फ एनफ क्रेडिट, विच इज़ टेरेबल. Self love is very important.
It's not that bad. मतलब you're making it sound really
नहीं, मैं हूँ वैसा. I don't see my achievements. I don't acknowledge my achievements. And it's very important because मुझे पता है कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ऐसे हैं. तो इसके बारे में बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि मुझे भी मेरे मुंह से खुद ही से सुनना चाहिए कि थोड़ा अपने आप को क्रेडिट देना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
I agree.
It incentivizes you to do more and better.
5000%.
Yeah.
So आज आप please treat
आप
yourself.
मुझे पैट करो ना.
खुद की बात हो रही है.
अच्छा.
हम तो कर ही रहे हैं पैट आपको. हम तो आपको इंस्टाग्राम के नीचे कहते रहते हैं, oh my god, heart, love, Elnaz, go girl.
Thank you.
Because so many women and men derive a lot of energy out of people when they see, and ये जो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि पीछे नहीं देख, हम आपकी पीछे की जर्नी से भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड हैं. And that also calls for the, ये देश इतना टैलेंटेड है एलनाज, इतने लोग हैं इसमें, कट
Incredible.
थ्रू करते करते ये जो हुआ है हमारे सामने,
Thank you.
है ना, अमेजिंग सी बात है.
It wasn't an easy road.
या जुबिन ने डांटा आपको वाइल रिकॉर्डिंग, तुम ये नोट ऐसे पकड़ रही हो, क्या कर रही हो, ऐसे पकड़ो.
My God, this guy. My God, if I tell you, he's the most patient person
Oh,
on this
that's
earth.
great. Wow.
He never, and he taught me so many things. And there are videos, we have videos of how he is telling me, ये नोट को ऐसे गाओ, ये नोट को वैसे गाओ. 2-3 बार मैंने गाया, क्योंकि it's my first Hindi song, right?
Correct.
I've sung other songs, but ये थोड़ा और ज़्यादा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. He has been so patient with me. He has taught me so much. जितना भी ये गलत गाऊं, फिर भी patiently he would tell me how to do it. He is 1 in a million. He is awesome. I don't think there's anyone like him.
Maybe there's something about people from the mountains.
हो सकता है.
हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
And I have that connection with him, right?
Yeah.
I'm also kind of a mountain girl. Like I was born in Tehran, and we would every weekend we would go to the mountains. And he is also a mountain person, so I think we bonded on that as well.
Yeah, amazing. I really want to take a little tiny detour from our singing journey to Tehran and the mountains and the goats and the sunset, and just describe एक शाम आपकी जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे, काम करते करते जब भी समय मिला आपको, वो क्या सांस लिए आपने जब the sunset was the most gorgeous, the most pure.
Ah, God. I was 8 when I left Iran. And उसके बारे में बात करना ही मुश्किल है.
Sorry.
That's okay. It's the most beautiful city in the world.
Yeah.
We have everything in Tehran. You just need to travel a little bit, you have the beach. You just need to travel a little bit, you have the mountains. You have all 4 seasons of the year. You have beautiful people. I miss the city I was born in.
Yeah.
I really miss it, and I pray that one day I get to go back.
Yeah.
But every day that I remember in Tehran has been beautiful.
Yeah.
Every day. I can't pinpoint and say this day was more fun, And I think just being around your family now, I live in India, I live alone. I don't have any of my family around. So I just feel like for me also realizing that how important family is. You only know it when you actually live very far away from them.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's a little bit of an emotional...
Yeah. Coming back from emotional to adventure ride. We're talking about Tehran and the beauty of it, and now in Mumbai right now, talking about it. ठीक है, गड्ढे हैं, खड्डे हैं, ट्रैफिक है, सिग्नल है, बारिश है, सब कुछ है, ठीक है.
क्या नहीं है?
क्या नहीं है?
क्या नहीं है? सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. And I love it. बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं मुझसे कि यार you grew up in Germany and everything is properly done, roads are proper, driving is proper. Nobody honks in Germany. Yo, honking, when you honk in Germany, people will look at you like you are not okay.
Yeah.
The horn in a car is not to be used in Germany. Even when there is an accident that happens without any horn.
Wow.
I'm telling you. You just quietly get into an accident, get out of your car, speak with each other, and that's it. So this city is so loud. But then again, I think that's why I connect with Mumbai so much. It's because Tehran is also very loud.
Yeah.
I was born in that hustle bustle.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I have a little bit of both sides. One side is like, if I go into a city that is very quiet, मेरे से नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
So I need a bit of a balance of the two. But I love Mumbai. Mumbai is home now, huh?
Yeah. There's nothing that shocks you anymore?
नहीं,
या फिर अभी भी कुछ आपको लगता है कि ये क्या है? Honking तो चलो ठीक है.
Nothing is shocking anymore.
Nothing is shocking.
Nothing in Bombay shocks me. It just keeps stopping itself every time. And I'm like, expect it. It's all right. I'm going to lose my mind, but it's all right.
I have a new word for you. It's calm in the chaos. It's not like English calm. It is Hindi ka calm in the chaos.
अच्छा, calm in the
Calm in the
chaos,
chaos.
हाँ.
ना
वो तो
मुंबई
रोज
भाई
करते
है.
हैं, सुबह शाम,
Correct.
lunch, dinner,
हाँ.
calm in the chaos.
छुट्टी कब लेने वाले हो आप? इतना काम क्यों करते हो आप? मुझे ये बताओ.
ये सही सवाल है. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है.
ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल.
क्योंकि बहुत टाइम बाद मैं जा रही हूँ.
अरे क्या बात है. अरे वाह. What time?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं बताऊं, मेरे से नहीं होता है यार सिर्फ छुट्टी. मतलब what am I going to do? Not work? For how long? I can't do that.
हाँ.
But yes, I am going to LA now to promote my film, The Fix. And I'm going a little earlier so I can
Hang.
hang.
सही है. अब फिक्स के बारे में बताइए. ये फिक्स की जर्नी और ये फिक्स व्हाई शुड बी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट. मतलब बिकॉज एनी वे वी रूट फॉर यू फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू. व्हाई इज फिक्स different from anything that you've done so far?
The Fix, I mean, The Fix is like a proper Hollywood CIA agents, lots of
Love it.
action type of a
Love
film.
it, love
Okay. And of course, as you saw in the trailer, it's connected to Iran,
जी.
to Tehran, and that's where I come in. But I mean, when I started watching the film, I watched it in Berlin at the Berlinale, and I was sitting at the edge of my seat. And unfortunately, I can't tell you a lot about my character because my character really cannot be revealed. I mean, as you saw in the trailer also, everybody else, you knew what they're doing.
जी.
You can't really tell what I was doing, which is the point of the film. And तो हालांकि मुझे खुद स्टोरी पता था, फिर भी जो भी हो रहा था, I was like, अरे, you know? So I was like, if I, who knows the script and who's been in this film,
जी.
is finding it so full of thrill, then I really hope that other people do as well. And if you like such thriller movies with action, then you will love the Fix. And also, if you're a Liam Neeson fan, or if you're a Zachary Levi fan, or if you're an El Nas fan.
तीसरी वाली हमें पसंद है. हमारी लड़की चली फॉरेन. हम तो बहुत एक्साइट है. ठीक है. हमारी एक लड़की गई थी, प्रियंका. ठीक है. फॉरेन गई थी. उन्होंने भी कुछ ऐसा कुछ. What a woman.
What a woman.
यार हर रोज प्रेरणा देने वाली औरत.
Oof.
मतलब it's just crazy how she does so many things in the day.
So good.
And similar. I mean, I feel you're pretty much in the same
But
mix.
that woman is next level. She has a
is.
husband. She has a child.
She has a
and she is killing it. I can't even handle myself. Just handling husband and child and career.
ये एक और चीज आप करती हैं नाज. केवल खुद को भी हैंडल करना ना आसान नहीं है. ठीक है.
नहीं, हाँ.
ठीक है. खुद के डीमंस. आप ही तो कह रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले कि जब फैमिली आपके पास में नहीं होती तब कितना ऐसा लगता है कि फैमिली के साथ में क्या होता है पता है. हस्बैंड, आई डोंट हैव अ हस्बैंड माई सेल्फ, सो आई कांट से, बट आई फील लाइक यू गेट दैट लिटिल टाइनी पुश. आज अच्छा दिन नहीं था तुम्हारा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे पैर मसाज कर लेता हूँ, कोई स्ट्रेस ही नहीं है. यू गेट एलिवेटेड फ्रॉम सम और
The support, the mental support that you get from somebody.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like even if you have a roommate,
जी.
even that's good.
That's true.
You know, because you just have somebody around. I feel human interactions are so important. I'm going to stir away from this thing right now a little bit, but since it's about music, I feel like we can talk about it. I am getting so irritated lately.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go, people are, first of all, on Instagram, they're using AI music.
जी.
Everywhere you hear AI music. And you're like, we have such great artists. We have such great music. I feel like the industry needs to do something about these people who make AI music. I love using AI to help you in what you're doing, to support you in what you're doing.
Yeah.
Help you make music as a
Sure.
musician, great. But आजकल बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो AI गाने बनाते हैं, ना तो वॉइस इज रियल, ना तो नथिंग, नो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, और उसको अपलोड भी करते हैं. फिर लोग उसको यूज़ भी करते हैं.
जी.
Instead of using actual songs that were made by artists.
Yeah.
And this is not just in the music industry.
Yeah.
You see AI replacing so many other things as well. I just feel like AI really needs to be used as a tool to help you in what you're doing. and not to replace anything. This human interaction is so important. And I know it because I feel it. Because, of course, when I'm working, I'm surrounded by 1,000 people. And then when you go home, you're just alone.
जी.
Great for yourself to sit with your thoughts. But then again, you constantly scroll. You constantly... So I feel like this AI replacing this internet and the phone, replacing human interactions is a problem.
Yeah.
जो मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है. You know?
Yeah.
That's why I'm talking about it.
100%.
So it's very important to really go out with your friends.
Yeah. Or sit at home with your friends, but like real
Do
people.
something.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You're here.
But ये कहना बहुत आसान है. ये it's such a, for me it's like हाँ नहीं correct, आप correct बोल रहे हो, नहीं scroll तो नहीं करना चाहिए, 2 सेकंड है खाली. So it's just such a muscle memory.
सिर्फ नहीं फिर 5 में 10 मिनट चलता रहता है. And then you're like, अरे भैया भागना है. You know, मैं भूल गई कुछ करना था. यार, seriously.
ये phone मैंने किस लिए खोला था? Oh, okay, yeah. But coming back to Elnaz's journey and singing, देखिए गाना, उसकी सुर, साज, लय, ये समझना एक बात है. और इतनी सारी भाषाओं की पकड़ एक बात है. है ना? ये कैसे आप कमाल हो गई, बताइए.
पता नहीं, I don't know. I think I just have a little bit of a
you're a language prodigy.
talent, for languages.
Yeah. How many languages can Elnaz speak?
So I've managed 7 so far. I mean, of course, because I was born in Iran, Farsi. Then German, because I grew up there. In Germany, I learned English and French in school. I studied French properly and English as well. Then I came to India. I learned Urdu. I learned Hindi. I learned Punjabi. Punjabi is the only language that I cannot write or read.
The others you can't.
Yes. Read and write. So I'm just really, I love languages, and I just feel like they take you so far in life.
Yeah.
There's so much you can do with languages.
How does that help along with your singing journey and your acting journey?
Well, if you see, I have acted in Hindi, I have acted in Farsi, I have acted in English, I have acted in Punjabi. I have done Telugu. So, of course, all those roads and doors are open then, right? When you know all of these languages. And if songs, I've sung in Farsi, I've sung in Hindi, I've sung in English. Punjabi mein gaun?
हाँ पंजाबी में छींक आ जाएगी.
So, of course, it really, I mean, in my job at least, it's very helpful to know many languages.
Yeah. It's
I love it.
I'd love to know, Elnaz, आपके लिए संगीत का सबसे पहला विंडो कौन सा था? If you can remember, कि कोई एक सुर शायद घर के आसपास सुनाई देती थी, या फिर कोई एक गीत घर पे गाया जाता था, या जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे, when you started working, something. What was your first window to music?
What was my first window to... I mean, my first window to music really was my parents being so into music. None of them are musicians, but we would constantly listen to music and so many different songs. My parents would listen to Hindi music as well in Iran. That was the first time I got really to hear Indian music. And so it went on, and then in Germany, I remember I used to buy these albums, these CDs of different Bollywood movies.
Yeah.
So I still have them in Germany. My mom has them at home. Be it Mohabbatein, be it Kal Ho Na Ho. I have all of the albums. And I would listen to them and I would sing along.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't understand a word. और जब मैं इंडिया आई, when I learned Hindi, and then I listened to the same song, I said, अच्छा, इसका ये meaning है. उस वक्त मुझे पता नहीं था, but I would sing along full. You know? So yeah, it's weird when you think about it like that. I would sing along to Lata ji's songs and all, not understanding a word. And of course,
with
my
mom...
With
a full emotion, because that's what you heard.
And shower में हमेशा.
क्या बात है?
मतलब shower without गाना तो होता नहीं. So my mom was also obviously very much then, because of me, she would constantly hear all the music all day, all night.
Yeah.
So when I learned Hindi, I'd be like, Mom, iska ye matlab hai, you know? And then she'd be
Acha.
interesting, you know? Because we would just know the song. And
Yeah.
that's the beauty about music.
Yeah.
You don't need to understand the
That's
language
true.
to understand the language,
That's true.
you know?
मैं आपके मतलब I want to talk about traitors, everything else also, but while we're talking about music, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो गायक होते हैं, जो म्यूजिशियंस होते हैं, जो गाना क्रिएट करते हैं, जो इतनी इमॉर्टल चीज़ हम सबके लिए छोड़ के जाते हैं, whenever they pass on, there's something that's always there, and that really changes the way you think, the way you feel, etc. I तो elevate them, I तो feel like ये तो स्वर्ग में ही जाएंगे, ये कभी नर्क जा ही नहीं सकते. You know, that's the order that, and especially also because I work for radio. आपके जीवन में the top 5 musicians, if we can talk about it, can be a
Oh my
composer, it
God.
can be a lyricist, it can be a singer, वो कौन होंगे?
I will just tell you, I mean, obviously बहुत सारे legends होते हैं,
जी.
पर मैं उनके बारे में बात नहीं करूँगी. मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि who has shaped my understanding of music, या you know, just as people. I feel like the number one for me personally has been Michael Jackson. I have learned a lot from him before everyone was talking about Michael Jackson the way they're talking about Michael Jackson and his music. I feel like he keeps getting bigger, which is beautiful, right? Michael Jackson really has been influential in my life. And for some reason, for some odd reason, I really think that the way I've seen Jennifer Lopez grow in her career and how she also, where she came from and where she is now, and her music career and her film career, I am very inspired by her.
Right.
Very much. Of course, there are many, many more, and India में भी बहुत सारे हैं. मतलब 5 मैं बोल नहीं सकती. कि there are
दो
only
आपने बोल दिए, 3
Sonu
और
Nigam, I would
Sonu
say
Nigam,
Sonu
yeah.
Nigam is also another person that
Yeah.
really, all of his songs, the way he sings, the way he controls his voice. This man is, in a good way, not normal.
Yeah.
The way he has control over his body and his vocal cords and his... कभी मैंने देखा नहीं कहीं और. You know?
Genius.
हाँ, a genius.
Yeah.
So बहुत सारे हैं यार.
Yeah. 2 और.
अरे
वो क्या है, थोड़ा मैथ्स स्कूल में नहीं किया तो मैंने बोला यहाँ अप्लाई कर लेते हैं.
I just feel like if I just mention 2 more and then there are so many and then I'm like
देखो आपने 3 बोल दिए तो बाकियों तो वैसे ही फिर बुरा लगने वाला है, तो ठीक है ना, और 2 बोल के 2 को कम बुरा लगाओ आप.
I'm gonna go to the West,
हाँ बिंदास.
you know, and another female voice that I would be like very impressive again with what she's done, Madonna. You know, unfortunately these are all like the older ones.
Yeah.
But I feel like
उनका कोई टाइम लाइन है ही नहीं.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Madonna, and then who else? Who else am I going to choose? I have only one more left now. Jesus.
I don't know. I mean, Cher है फिर.
Of course, she is incredible.
क्या है यार.
But I would say Whitney Houston. Between Cher and Whitney Houston, I don't know. Whitney Houston's voice. But Cher also. Can I share the one and make it Cher and Whitney Houston?
आपको रेडियो चौकी होना चाहिए था. What is this great? What is this great spontaneity?
Do you guys have any spots free?
Ilnaz के लिए? Are you crazy?
You guys are very close to my house now, so my 9 to 5 job. I've never done a 9 to 5.
ये 9 to 5 नहीं है इल्नास. हमें
अच्छा,
इस ट्रॉमा
ये
के
9
बारे
to
में
11
फिर
है.
इस ट्रॉमा के बारे में हम
ये
फिर कभी बात
6
करेंगे.
to 6 है.
ये 24/7 है दोस्त. आप कॉन्स्टेंटली कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. कल हमने लॉकअप
आप
सीजन 2 देखा.
24/7
आज
इधर
हम
हो?
इधर नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, वही तो.
अच्छा. Coming back to Elnaz's life.
जी.
Sacred Games तो मैं फिर बार आई कीप रिविजिटिंग. इनफैक्ट ट्रेटर्स फॉर सम ऑड रीजन मैं रियलिटी टीवी रिविजिट नहीं करती.
मैं
पर
खुद करती
आपकी
नहीं.
आपकी स्ट्रेटजी के लिए I did revisit, and now that season 2 is also coming.
Yeah.
I was like, एलनाज़ को फिर से होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
तो जरा आप तब की हमें मेमोरीज बताइए और what are your
देखिए,
expectations?
मैंने ट्रेटर्स सिर्फ एक ही वजह से किया था. मुझे कभी रियलिटी नहीं करना था, कभी करूँगी भी नहीं, मुझे पता है. बस everything I do in life is when I'm in front of the camera, I'm acting. Okay. तो ट्रेटर्स में भी मुझे एक्टिंग करना था. I didn't go there to be Elnaz. I didn't go there to... I understood that it's a strategy game, that it is a game for which you need brains. इसीलिए मैंने किया. Other than that, if you go to reality to just fight with people, that's not for me. So I did traitors only to act in the role of a traitor.
Which you did really well.
That's all I did. I was just really acting.
What do you have to say about reality TV shows otherwise? Because सब कहते हैं कि अपना रियल सेल्फ दिखाने के लिए हम रियलिटी टीवी शो में आए हैं. जो लोगों ने हम पर लांछन लगाए हैं उसको हम निकालने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ टू टेल पीपल व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर दे अज्यूमिंग अबाउट अस, बट दिस इज़ नॉट हु वी आर. आप क्या कहती हैं आप? और रियलिटी टीवी शोज तो मतलब हैव बिकम सेकंड नेचर फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. लोगों को झगड़ा देखने में इतना मज़ा क्यों आता है? चलो इससे शुरुआत करते हैं.
ये तो मुझे पता नहीं, आपको लोगों से पूछना पड़ेगा ये सवाल, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद
मज़ा
नहीं
नहीं
है.
आता.
मैंने कभी कोई रियलिटी टीवी देखा नहीं है.
जी.
और आप यकीन करो, मैंने ट्रेटर्स को भी खुद सिर्फ अपने लिए देखा.
वाओ, क्या सुंदर लग रही है. कौन है ये लड़की? ओह, इट्स मी.
You know, I was in Hong Kong when it released and I wasn't really interested in watching it. I was like, चलो ठीक है, मैंने किया, लोग देख लेंगे.
हो गया. हाँ.
पर फिर लोगों ने इतना उसके बारे में बात करना शुरू किया. फिर एवरीबडी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. मैंने बोला यार मुझे भी देखना है, क्या हो रहा है. और हांगकांग में देख नहीं सकते थे ना, सिर्फ प्राइम वीडियो इंडिया में है
जी.
तो जब मैं वापस आई, मैंने बैठ के देखा. मैंने सोचा अभी क्या हो रहा है, ये इस लड़की ने क्या किया है, सब इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और फिर जब मैं निकल गई 7th एपिसोड में, फिर मैंने आगे देखा नहीं.
ऑफ कोर्स. आपको क्या लगता है सिर्फ आप ही थी? हमने भी नहीं देखा. अब हम 7 एपिसोड इसलिए देख रहे क्योंकि आप हैं उसमें.
हाँ जी, थैंक यू.
बट गुड. ये आई लाइक द फैक्ट कि आप रियलिटी टीवी शो नहीं देखना चाहती हैं.
नहीं यार, उसके लिए टाइम नहीं है. इतने सारे बुक्स है जो पढ़ना है, इतने सारे शोज है, फिल्म है जो देखना है, जो मास्टर पीसेस हैं. अभी रियलिटी टीवी देखना क्या यार. पर ईच टू देयर ओन. इफ यू एंजॉय वाचिंग इट, आई डोंट एंजॉय. इफ यू एंजॉय, प्लीज वॉच इट. वॉच ट्रेटर्स सीजन 1. A little bit of promotion for myself. Constantly promoting myself. Listen and stream to Hua on all of the platforms. Watch The Fix in the theaters near you.
थोड़ा दूर जाके देखना चाहते हैं तो भी देख सकते हैं, because you will be very happy.
हाँ.
Because Elnaz is the... Why are we talking like this?
Follow me on Instagram.
If you're following me already, subscribe.
Exactly.
Yeah, do everything you can. Just don't stalk.
Share my videos on your story.
Share it on your family groups.
हाँ, like, share, comment and follow.
आप मुझे बताइए कि वैसे हुआ के ट्रेलर कह रही हूँ, वीडियो के नीचे ढेर सारा प्यार तो आ ही रहा है. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट कमेंट दैट्स मेड योर डे टुडे? जो आपने कमेंट देखा या फिर you checked yourself out on Google or wherever. What's the favorite comment about Elnaz?
है. पहले तो एक्टिंग के बारे में था. I would always appreciate when people appreciate my craft. कि अरे अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है वगैरह वगैरह, बिकॉज यू आर ब्यूटिफुल, ओ यू आर सो हॉट वगैरह, तो बहुत सुना है. that's nothing
new,
and it's also not really giving me anything, right? Now when I read comments of people saying you have a great voice or we love your voice, and you know, that's something that I've just recently started, and I want to be good at it. I don't want to just do it. That's why I keep going to vocal training. I keep working on my voice. And singers ke liye ye to till the end of your life you have to do vocal training and you have to be at it. So comments which compliment my craft as a singer or as an actor, those make me very, very happy.
Someday if it paltos and you get only compliments about your art, and no one's telling anything about the way you look, how hot you are, how amazing you are looking in this outfit. Is that going to be a difficult day, or it's going to be a fantastic day?
It's not gonna happen. That day is not going to come.
You!
That day is not going to come. But if it does, which will be probably when I'm 90, though I'm gonna be a very hot 90-year-old. But but even then, yes, of course I'll be very happy if they just compliment my craft.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it won't happen.
I'm just getting reminded of your Made in Heaven episode as well. Yeah,
Oh my
you're
God.
amazing, dude.
Thank
Tell
you.
us about that time as well. Yeah, thoda bahut.
Yeah,
Now that we're talking,
that was the best ever. Okay, I was directed by Zoya Akhtar,
that's
the
it.
living legend
Yeah.
of a woman,
Yeah.
of a director in this country.
Yeah.
And as far as I remember, Zoya ma'am directed only 1 or 2 episodes in season 2. And my episode was one of them. So I was very worried
Yeah.
for Made in Heaven. I tell you why. Because
But all that confidence के पीछे.
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ ना. I don't know if you remember my laugh in the episodes, but एक दिन we were sitting in the Tiger Baby office, we were reading the script and whatever, and the way I am, I started laughing in a very weird way, which just happens all the time. And Zoya was like, ये laugh मुझे चाहिए.
Yeah.
I was like, अरे भैया नहीं. She was like, no, मुझे ये laugh चाहिए for this role. I was like, shit, people are going to be like, how irritating is this girl?
Yeah.
But that laugh worked.
Yeah.
And in every scene, she wanted me to laugh like that.
Yeah.
And it worked.
Yeah.
It made her look very stupid. And then the way she turned around and did that heavy move showed that what you see is not what you see.
Yeah.
She's a smart-ass girl who knows how to treat people who mistreat her.
Yeah.
While she has this weird-ass laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah. But beautiful. This is what good directors do. They take what
Yeah.
you already have and they make art of it.
Yeah.
She's awesome. I'm very
Amazing.
lucky to have worked with her.
Amazing. किसी एक्टर को देखकर जो क्या आपको कभी लगता है एलनाज आई नीड टू लेवल अप आई वांट टू बिकम लाइक
Yeah. Meryl Streep. What an actress. Tabu. Like that.
नाइस
That is the level we're talking about.
नाइस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे मिसअंडरस्टूड चीज क्या है
That actors and actresses have such a amazing life, so much glamour, so much fun. Behind the scenes तो देखो, पीछे तो देखो, मुगड़ी है. यही है यार, इतना वो that's misunderstood, very misunderstood.
या
We have tough lives.
वायरल होना और रेलेवेंट रहना क्या अलग है
Yes, virality is for a very short time, and when it goes away, it goes away.
या
But staying relevant, you don't have to stay relevant 24/7, 365. But being able to stay relevant for a long term, over years and years, is very hard. It requires strategy.
या
Viral, you can go viral overnight, and then the next day, after a month, after a year, even if you stay viral for a year, nobody is going to know who you are then.
या
But being relevant is hard work.
या कंसिस्टेंसी
Yeah.
या या क्या आपको लगता है कि आज के कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एक्टर्स बन रहे हैं और आज के एक्टर्स कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स बन रहे हैं
But
एंड यू आर
it'll-
ओके विद दिस
It's a circle, it'll come back around.
ओके
It'll all come back around.
who's your favorite content creator if there is any, or who's your favorite actor who's turned a content creator if there's any? You're a meme.
Sorry, my face. Yeah, I am
आप
a
एक
meme.
मीम साहब हैं
Yeah, I am. I know. Janelia and Ritesh.
रितेश
Awesome. Love them.
या
They are making insane content.
Yeah, cute only. Yeah.
But they are both great actors also.
Also, yeah.
And content creator who has turned actor, I don't know. Who is there?
Dharna, Prajakta Koli. Then Raghav Juyal also used to create content, but not create content. He was in reality TV.
Yeah. No, Raghav is an
No,
insane
yeah, he's,
actor.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
very good.
Sorry, he's not
Yeah.
content. He's content.
But yeah,
Yeah, got
I
it.
mean,
I
सब
got my
अच्छे हैं
answer.
यार,
Got
सब
my
अच्छे हैं अपने आप में.
अब
हाँ.
सोशल मीडिया कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है भाई आपको स्टार बनाने में, और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है पीआर ट्रेनिंग, और कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना, टॉपिकलिटी के बारे में बात करना, रेलेवेंट रहना, अपने पॉलिटिकल व्यूज़ बताना. हाउ आर यू मैनेजिंग दैट? बिकॉज दैट आई फील इज़ द
मेरे से
टफेस्ट.
तो मत पूछना.
ठीक है.
मैं तो बहुत करती हूँ.
करेक्ट. इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है
politics
कि
के बारे में बात करती
जी.
हूँ, मैं अपने काम के बारे में पोस्ट करती हूँ. PR training is very important. It can ruin your life if you
Yeah.
don't know what to do, what to say, where to go, how to,
Yeah.
especially if you talk about politics. Social media मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मतलब honestly I don't know. Of course it's important because now life has become this thing of your social media, you should be on social media and everything, but honestly this is also going back. It was important in the beginning to have a big following, and if you want to do this and if you want to do that, now people have realized कि उससे नहीं होता है. I feel even with actors, you if you can't act, then you it doesn't matter how many followers you have. At least if I was a producer or a director, that's how I would think.
Yeah.
And if you are fantastic in what you do, it doesn't matter if you have 2,000 followers.
Yeah.
You're just good at what you're doing.
Yeah.
That's my way of thinking. बाकी लोग कैसे सोचते हैं वो मुझे पता नहीं.
एलनाज़, आप काफ़ी दिलचस्प इंसान हैं, और
Thank you very much.
अगर कोई आपको डेट करना चाहता है तो क्या करे वो, मतलब कैसे पहुंचे आप तक? क्योंकि हम तो कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मतलब
आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं मुझे डेट करना?
मैं नहीं कर रही, मतलब काश. ओनली इफ आई कुड गेट दैट लक हियर, बट या
क्या करना है उसको?
हुआ गाना देखना 20 बार लूप पे, और फिर
एंड शेयर करना है उसको. Nothing. Yeah, I just feel like for me it's very important to have someone around who understands me, who understands my madness,
yeah,
because I am mad,
I like that.
and who loves who I am as a person. I feel like ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ नहीं होता है, सबके साथ होता है कि when you get into a relationship, you try to change a lot of things about the other person because you probably don't like that about that person. And that's what I feel is so wrong. Learning to live with someone who is so different than you, who's grown up differently than you, who's experienced different things than you, and loving that person fully is very hard. तो अगर आपने ये सीख लिया तो आप मुझे कॉल करो.
एलनाज़ का नंबर लिखिए 98200. आगे पीछे
this
घूमो
part.
फिरो.
आगे पीछे घूमो फिरो.
प्लीज़ हुआ देखिए. एलनाज़ ने आज हमारी आंखें कई चीज़ों के बारे में खोली हैं, किस प्रकार से वो 400 चीज़ें एक दिन में कर सकती हैं, वो प्यार के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं, पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में क्या, दुनिया के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं. एलनाज़, मैं नॉर्मली मैंने आज तक कभी किसी को ये टाइटल नहीं दिया है, but I think you are a number one.
Aw, thank you.
ये है, कुछ तो है बात बॉस. और ये जो चीकी है ना, ये जो चीकी लड़की,
Yeah.
ये मजेदार है.
Thank you.
So thank
I'm
you so
happy to
much.
hear that. Thank you. I really appreciate that.